我是马思思，欢迎来到我的拼的 Nutrifusion Vibes。我是欢你们都很好，所以今天我要做一个很好吃的菜，所以我们会用这个是鸡肉，这个是什么菜不知道怎么说，不好意思。不过真的用大葱、垃圾和这个。所以如果有 leftover 的鸡肉，跟我来做这个很好吃的菜。1 cup half an onion. Now, how do you cut open your garlic? Is the way I'm doing it the conventional way or a very laborious and tedious way? I mean, sometimes I do flatten it like that, but it depends. Because sometimes it can come out quite flat and so it's difficult to do it like that. And I like to just do these in small thin strips. Oh, the smell of this already is just making my mouth water. Just chop that in half and then put that there. So that's good. Alright, so lastly now, the Scotch bonnet. You know, when I first learned how to do this skill, I say skill because it's not that hard, but when I learned how to do this, to really finely chop things, oh my, I was so excited. I was like, ooh, I can finally chop things into like a paste almost. Almost done. Now lastly, I'm gonna get the chicken from here and do not throw away the stock because we're going to use that. And oh my, look at how gelatinous that is. That is collagen right there. That is that. So I'm gonna reserve that, put that aside. So I got this. And immediately I'm going to add it in about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. That should char a bit. Now I don't need to add more seasoning apart from herbs and spices because when I cooked the chicken I added that in already. But I'm going to use some thyme there. I'm going to add the chicken. me add in the stock. As you can see, everything is just done in quick succession. Doesn't need to take long at all. Now turn it up and you're done. Look how delicious it is. Let's plate it up.我做完了，这个是米饭和鸡肉的菜，非常好吃。我们现在尝试一下，吃一点点，非常好。Very good.